Every time the girl went out to buy water, there would be one less chair at home. It turned out she was using the chairs as motorcycle luggage racks, and had already broken several of them. Her mother decided to buy her a large cargo motorcycle, but forgot that the girl was so petite she had a hard time even getting on it. One time, when she was heading out to practice parking, the bike was accidentally knocked over, and it took her half an hour just to get it back on its feet. She came up with a new way to park, but it wore out her shoes terribly, which was simply unacceptable. So she took the parts to a motorcycle shop, and requested a special modification. The mechanic had never encountered such a request before, but he still carefully helped her modify it. Once the modification was complete, the girl couldn't wait to take it for a test drive, and now parking is a breeze. Do you think her solution is reliable?